Welcome back, guys, to Mama Jones house, where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say hot. It hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. Guys, today Papa Harry decides I'm gonna go cook some chicken and shrimp fried rice. But the whole time when I'm in here I cook the fried rice, guys, I will be messing around with him, saying all kind of bad things about him cooking. Guys, Papa Harry can cook, but he might pick on a task here. I always make shrimp fried rice, but him decide to make shrimp and chicken fried rice to show me how bad him is in the kitchen. So anyway, guys, me go see what I do, and then him come in and him start to do him cooking and show now where him recipe is and what him gonna do to make him chicken and shrimp fried rice. Okay, guys, so we'll get him together and let him get going with him cooking. Yes, my families and my friends, welcome back to Mama Jones house, where it's hot. I don't know what I mean when we say hot. It's hot like a Scotch bonnet pepper. Today, guys, Papa Harry, I gonna cook you guys some chicken and shrimp fried rice. You know, Mama Jones, me make my fried rice, me like shrimp fried rice. So today I'm gonna make chicken and shrimp fried rice. I'm gonna be here in the kitchen. I'm a sous chef cutting up him ingredients for him, you know, and at the same time, before we go any further, we want you guys to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't make a post when I post. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna dive into the ingredients with Papa Harry. So in here, Papa Harry have 2 chicken breasts cut up small. This is how small him cut them up. Wash and clean already. And in here him have around 14 shrimp. Okay, so this is for the shrimp and the chicken. And then I'm gonna use 1 carrot, 1 onion, and I'm gonna use this amount of ball pepper. Ball or bell pepper, whichever the one you want to call it. Sweet pepper. Let's just say sweet pepper. So I have a green sweet pepper, 2 small yellow pepper, 1 red, and an orange. It's a lot of sweet pepper, but I'll cut up what I want and what I don't want, we'll put aside. And 1 large onion. So for the shrimp, in this, him have half a teaspoon of obey. Him have half a teaspoon of seafood seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic plus, and he's gonna use 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, and a half a teaspoon of paprika. Yes, and a half a teaspoon of paprika. So all of this is in here. So I'm gonna throw it on him something for him, and that is the seasoning. Okay, guys. So right now we're gonna take a little break. And we're going to come back when we get into cutting up the ingredients we're going to use. Okay, guys? Guys, Papa Harry not saying anything because he wants you to understand. So I'm doing the talking. So, guys, for the seasoning for the chicken, in here we have half a teaspoon of Montreal chicken, which is this one. We have half a teaspoon of chicken plus all. We have half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, and half a teaspoon of paprika. And we're going to use 1 tablespoon of garlic minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Okay, so let's throw this on that.
Welcome back. Now, you see, Papa Harry is a man who can't really talk for no understand, so let Mama Jones do most of the talking, but them thing here, a Valentine's Day dinner me I cook for Mama Jones, because every day is Valentine's Day for me and Mama Jones, because nobody cook on Thursday, because you know I pay block packeting that Ben Johnson did that. Friday, everybody have money in them pockets, so them decide to them now cook. So you see, today on Friday, Mama Jones says she now cook because she have money in her pocket. Papa Harry say, oh, me I cook up a Valentine dinner for you today. But it's a ital, you don't know the thing, go. It's a ital fried rice with one heap of ice green and gold. But me I add little shrimp to have for Mama Joan. Them time you back in the days of them kind of fried rice and I used to cook. So, Mama Joan don't know nothing about them fried rice, but true of your thing, you give her the flavour for she. Come with me, man, can walk with me, you know, if you don't want to walk with me, you know. Because I don't use no cheap oil either, I use expensive oil, avocado oil, guys.
Guys, listen, I don't know what Papa Harry say I do. He say I make shrimp, chicken and shrimp fried rice, guys. Me do little prepping for him, but trust me when me tell him to say, I don't know what I do. Guys, I don't know how could you be making chicken and shrimp fried rice on an ital? Where that come from? I use chicken and shrimp.
Ital shrimp and chicken. Ital.
I just say I pay that chitty matter. You hear me tell the people?
No, guys.
Ital shrimp.
But I am saying,
yeah,
back in the days I wouldn't use no chicken or shrimp. Make this fried rice here. But through a Mama Joan day, me I make it flavor so she can taste it for first.
Oh, you come from my Mama Joan. Pat say I make it for your grandchildren them.
Yeah, but I make it for the grandkids them not go want the vegetable to one. The grandkids them not go want the vegetable, you know, you know really want to peel the vegetable. So me I spice it up a little bit people and put some chicken, shrimp for Mama Joan, my grandkids them love the chicken. So me I combine. You see, we Jamaican, we stick to the evil where we know, and that's why we don't learn enough things, you know. When you see me now, I get how me grow. I don't know how to mix up, but I don't let it get up. While Mama Joan cut up this carrot and make it look pretty, you know. See my shrimp? Me I work on my shrimp, you know, so I go and do a thing and get right back to you, you know, see me? Alright, sir. Okay guys. Me done fry me shrimp. See them? Pretty, I know. But you know, me just take them out of the pot and me just put in my chicken. So I'm going to fry up them chicken, you know. Them all look pretty like the thing there, but you know chicken not pretty like shrimp. So it might not turn out as pretty, but I'm going to fry up them chicken, you know, and come right back to them. But
as we tell you now,
wait. Oh.
I don't know what Papa Harry said he might do. He might do him chicken and him put him chicken in the pot before they eat even hot. So
I lie.
So me don't know how this food they got. The chicken they probably listen. The problem chicken probably raw, but me not want no toilet tonight. Understand me? And my grandchildren them not want no toilet either.
What you mean by chicken not go raw, my girl? When you talk about chicken not raw, you smell fried the chicken.
Nobody not get sick.
Oh, no, I was sick. I'm here cook. What?
Guys,
what
as
kind
we
of sick?
Let me see if him chicken will go brown or if they'll get any color or anything will go up with this chicken here as far as all the chicken go.
The chicken now go pretty like the shrimp.
Chicken now go pretty like the shrimp?
Shrimp prettier than chicken. So, it's all good. Yeah.
So him dry them chicken look like it a boil.
Oh, it's for boil?
Because the pot never hot. You know when you put in, when the chicken pot hot, you put in the chicken and that shh. You know that from film chicken.
They know me I hear it.
When him done, he might try if he go on like say he can't cook like me and him can't cook like me.
No, everybody cook a little way different. She cook how she cook, me cook how me cook. We don't cook like how she cook. Why me have to cook like how you cook, Joan?
I not say we cook like how me cook, but I'm just saying.
It tastes good.
The food coming like it a go run with belly. As
No,
far as
no,
me
belly
sick,
not
and belly a go run.
No, belly
And
not
me
run
not
good,
able
no.
fit my belly a run and me can't catch it like Usain Bolt. You know when Usain Bolt a run and run fast, nobody can catch him. So if it think my baby are gonna run down the road and nobody can catch it to make a sad mistake?
She turned off the stove and I never know so she turned off the stove.
What type
I
of
think
cook
the
is that
stove
she gonna
was
do?
still on. So I come and I put the chicken in the pot and when I look, I say, fire cool.
And we say guys, as I've run belly this I go on here. I am not running it down.
Man, I fry up my chicken here. Don't worry, man. The chicken now. You hear now what that is? Can't dance to the sizzling.
Can't dance to the sizzling? What the blood clot? No sound. Anyway guys, me go make him go and fry him chicken and me go come back and show you when wild chicken look like.
Guys, the secret ingredients for this chicken here is when you're done cook the shrimp, don't wash it pot. You can't get them that taste, you know. Shrimp and chicken. Okay, guys, this is my chicken. Well seasoned, nice and spicy, and fair juice. So now my chicken done, me a piece of cabbage now. Me go salt out my cabbage and get that together. And see my shrimp. I know it's pretty, you see, the chicken still can't pretty like the shrimp. Alright? Remember me I tell you about a piece of cabbage me have downstairs, so I go downstairs and I dice it up and set it up and everything ready. Me have 4 eggs, bust them, and I go fry them in this pattern now and make them go and fry till me I put in the ingredients. I use some of this avocado oil, as we say when I use the cheap oil, but it's expensive oil because them food are rich food. Alright. See my thing here hot and nice. Make him go and warm up a little, you know. Aye. You hear him a grizzle like a chicken? Aye.
Watch him not gonna make the oil burn up?
No, oil not.
Watch how the oil gonna burn up and burn up the egg. Your fire too high, and if you turn down your fire, as I say, I feel one of food in my back now. I think this food is going to taste good. Honestly, I don't think so.
Hey, make Mama Joan go and talk because your mouth makes me talk. So me now worry about what she has said.
Let me turn down this stove here because we don't want this something burn up.
When we done with this food, yeah, she can't talk.
Listen guys, I don't know what he's doing.
Hey, it's fried rice with shrimp and chicken.
Oh my God.
Guys, not now, but put in my garlic, onion. You can't go and talk, my girl. And they, oh my God, look how it's pretty. It's green and gold. With little more ice and little more green and little more gold.
Guys, it's the red pepper and the green pepper is called in ice green and gold, guys. So that's what's going on here.
Back in the days when I cook the veggie stew, I want no service.
You're making fried rice, you say you're making. Speaking of that, where is the rice? You're making fried rice and I don't see you have no rice. I don't see you cook no rice. Guys, if I make fried rice, I'm gonna see him have no rice. I'm gonna see him cook no fried rice. No, I don't see him cook no rice. So I'm gonna go and make fried rice.
You mention rice?
Oh, you mean no fried rice you make? Some of the rice there.
I never remember.
What the fuck?
Ta-da! Guys! You know what I'm doing here? The man cannot cook rice and not have fried rice. What kind of rice that makes you why I'm having rice cooking in my oven and waiting? You know what? I'm going to put the pan top on the stove. Right, yes, I'm making cool, not even hot. You know, I'm going to cook rice up in my oven. And I'm going to fry him. Oh, hey, she can't go and talk. I store up my veggie, I put in some cabbage now. I make the cabbage go and do it thing. You know? So, whoa. This is when Mama Joan tastes this one. Mama Joan try sabotage the thing, you know. But I have my things under wraps. You see me, guys? Stir up this, you know. Oh, me them call stir man. So my shrimp pretty. Aye. I'm gonna stop talk all my shrimp pretty. The shrimp pretty. Oh. See my pot? Mixing everything nice and mixing. Oh God. I smell everything smell sweet. Yeah man, when I used to cook man, that's how I mix up man. So I break up my rice, and if it's ready, I put it in the pot now, but I put it in all at one time now. I put it in little. I need to put in some soya sauce in it. I have to look some soya sauce because you see the back there say something like sesame seed, but me see it look like soya sauce, but you can't put nothing in my something when I don't know when I put in my something.
Alright, a soya sauce, me just use, the guys is soya sauce, but me just use the sesame seed oil buckle because I have a big, huge buckle of soya sauce. So I'm not trying to sabotage nothing.
You don't know nothing about that, guys. You never tell me. So, you have to throw a little soya sauce. Just to get the color, you know, because you know, say, a fried rice, you know. So now, me almost finish up still, you know. Put the bloody fried rice season on it, but I put that half the year, so, you know, like half a teaspoon, you know, so that's how we use it. And stir in that, and some coloring, soya sauce and browning and make it get the color, you know, because you want the rice look not white. Because we don't want a white rice, so we want fried rice. So, we almost done, you know, people. And I tell you, say,
I say people, I don't know where this food is going to taste like. Like, why I don't know.
My girl.
It look,
She can't say anything.
Guys, trust me, it look good still.
Show them, take the camera and show them in there and tell them they don't want to hear what you have to say. The people them want to see me rice. Show the people them the rice, how the rice pretty and look good. Look the people. On the thing say, Papa Harry a ramp. Oh, fried rice, shrimp and chicken with all kind of something in it. And
It really look good. But you know, look is deceiving. So I hope it tastes
like
as
your
good.
face.
I hope it tastes as good as it looks. That's all I can say.
She had the #1 this evening looks. I tell you that. She had it. Her face is as humble and as innocent as an angel. But you never know how good to see. Oh, devil is there. But I like a joke. Miss Mama Joan a nice girl still.
So anyway guys, Papa Harry dinner really look good.
Yeah,
you know, I was messing around with him the whole time. Same food now gonna really taste good. But it look good and I hope it really tastes good. And I hope the grandkids them enjoy it. You understand? But I don't know and put one scotch bonnet pepper and I think it's gonna be a bit spicy still for them. But let's see how it goes. So anyway guys, we are going to set up them food and make them come taste it and see them reaction. So guys, this is my two beautiful granddaughters. I'm gonna sprinkle some green onion on top. Okay, so you want the part who don't have as much vegetable? Okay, so I'm gonna give you this part. You're just gonna make a little taste. You don't have to eat the whole of it, you're just tasting.
So 1 spoonful, right?
Hmm?
1 spoonful?
Yeah, 1 spoonful, but you have to do two spoonfuls to get the taste. 1 spoonful can do it.
Oh, okay. I have water.
You have water? Okay. So there you go. Let me get you guys two spoon. Okay. Okay. So grandfather taste it and tell Papa Harry how him fried rice taste. Come on, Jovi. Dig in. You don't have to pick nothing out. You have chicken there, you have rice there, you just have to pick up the chicken.
I just had to pick out
okay, okay. That's chicken. What you think, Jovi?
What is this, Jovi?
It's okay.
It's just okay. It's not super duper wicked. What you think, Joy?
It's good.
It's good? Okay. So guys, Journey heard from the young one. This one said it's okay. Jovi said it's okay. Joy said it's good. So guys, we come to the end of Papa Harry chicken and shrimp fried rice. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit my post notification bell so you don't miss a post when I post. Papa Harry, you need to tell the people them goodbye.
Bye guys. Yeah, Papa Harry, we need to face the grandkids them and look in them face because I was threatening them, you know, if them ever say anything wrong, you see. But them say the right thing, so I can't kill them. So guys, trust me, when you hear the kids them say good, you know say good because they don't lie.
So guys, gonna try this. I know it's a different kind of fried rice because it have cabbage, carrots, and everything is all fresh vegetable that him put in there. But try it guys, it's absolutely delicious. I was bugging on him, but him food is good.
Yes.
Okay guys, so we see you in the next video.